So we decided to do something different. So we're in the river. It's about probably 12 foot. So we set out about probably 9-10 foot from the bottom. We added about 10 ounces of weight, and we're anchored right now. So we decided to put on a Parks Enterprise planter board, and it kicked it out about, what would you say, that's about 30 yards from the boat? 25? About 25 yards from the boat. It's pulling pretty hard. So, and these kitties are pretty hungry. So we'll see if we can't get some action. So.
Look at that! Holy, where'd you get that planer board?
Fighting pretty good. Last thing you want to do when you're fishing with planer boards is one that clips to the line and stays on line. You want one that comes unclipped and goes all the way down to the fish. It'll actually help you bring the fish up. Big easy quest. Parks planer boards, baby.